Hello guys, in today's tutorial we will talk about how to replace a new model with existing one without any extra effort. So there is a one plugin. So guys, in a SketchUp it's always hectic to place a new model with existing one. Suppose you have placed this column over here, and if you want to change the column, then you have to delete that one and place new one over here. Okay, that is very hectic. So there is a one quick solution. So your model must be in a component. This one is a component and this model also in a component. So first you have to install JHS powerbar plugin. Okay, so guys, here we will use compo wrapper option. So first you have to click over here and then you have to select a source component. So you have to press alt key on your keyboard and then click over here. Okay, just single click, and then we have to move over here, and this time we will press Ctrl and click at this single component to place all over the same instances. If you wanna just place on a single column, just you have to click without pressing any other key. Okay, this is the method. So you have to click one by one to place it, or you can press Ctrl to replace all the model. Okay, this is the method. So guys, if you really like this tutorial, please follow, share, and you can also subscribe me on my YouTube channel. There is a lots of tutorial over my channel. Thank you for watching. Have fun and see you in tutorial.